What's going on, everybody? Thanks for coming back to see me. This is Outdoor Gear Addiction, and today we're looking at the Gerber Crucial. This thing is super impressive, and I had to show you for at least one reason, and that is this has liner locks on pretty much everything that you need. Let's pull out the Phillips. You heard the click. There's a liner lock for the Phillips. That is awesome. Now the Phillips is not a full 3D Phillips, but this will definitely do the job most of the time. Let me move these handles out of the way. How about that? Let's check out another tool. This is a flathead, or for you pry bar guys, this is a pry bar. Why not? Because you don't actually need a pry bar unless you're a construction worker, and then you have an actual pry bar. So really like your pry bar, not gonna pay $100 for one, because I've got one for $13 from Lowe's. This is a liner lock as well. Really good pocket clip, strong pliers, wire cutters. I've got a few Gerber Multitools, and I really like those. Super small, and I'm not afraid to carry them. They're not too heavy. I love me some Leathermans, but they're so big, so bulky, so heavy, there are times that I do not carry them. Love the Leatherman rebar, but it's heavy, it's big. Let's put the Crucial next to it. Crucial is smaller, and it actually carries even smaller than what you're seeing. It really does. I'm a huge fan of this Crucial. Another thing is this carabiner. Now some people will say this is a bottle opener as well, but you know, if you've seen my other videos about EDC bottle openers, I got mine right here all the time. So in short, this tool is $43 on Amazon, had 942 reviews, and 4.6 out of 5 stars. What else could you want? Nothing you don't need. What do you not need on here? Aha, good call. You actually don't need a carabiner. Who needs that? People without EDC bottle openers. That's who needs this. This thing needs to be in your lineup, guys and girls. Needs to be in your lineup. I hope this helps. I definitely hope y'all pick up one of these. I highly recommend this Gerber Crucial. It's got everything you need and nothing you don't, including a deep carry clip for your pocket. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'd like you to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more weekly reviews of knives, EDC gear, multi-tools, RV camping gear, axes, hatchets, and much more. Go check me out on social media, on Instagram at Outdoor Gear Addiction, on Twitter at Addiction Gear, and even on TikTok, Outdoor Gear Addiction. Merry Christmas. God bless. Come back and see me.